In today's Science Corner, we are going to try to balance this can of soda on its corner. Like that. Something like that. All you need is a can of soda and some water. I'm going to try to balance this can of soda on its side like this. It doesn't really work. Let me see what happens if I empty it. Ooh. I still can't balance it on its side. Now I'm going to see what happens if I pour some water back into the container. It can balance perfectly. This reminds me about our lives as Christians. In order to live balanced lives, we need to allow Jesus to empty us of our pride and sins and to fill us with the Holy Spirit so that our lives can be a witness to others that don't know about Jesus.